Time for bloopers.
I was really shocked by the way so calm, polite and gentle he was. That's not him. Ask me. I know the real him.
Only because Amir was making a video, I didn't give it to the salon guy either.
हाँ jump.
अभी कूद जाओ.
Jump.
Whoa!
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amir Ashraf
And I'm Aman Khalfe.
and he's back.
Actually, there's no already know that I'm back. You've been posting videos and photos on Instagram already, so I think people already know that I am back.
Okay, so heading to the video, what we are going to do today is we're going to meet a lot of relatives, friends who were waiting for him to come back. I wasn't one of them. And
Okay.
so before that, obviously जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि
क्या देख
he needs to be groomed.
Yeah.
So
I need a haircut. Shippe, it's very difficult to cut your hair. It's either you cut your hair by yourself or you need someone, some colleague who knows how to cut hair.
But not everyone is going to be as smart as me, जिसको सब आता हो, so उसको यहाँ पे अभी कहीं और जाके बाल काटना. See, listen, you have a choice. Do you want to make a vlog video where I cut your hair?
We can do that for some other time.
Okay guys, without much ado, we are heading to the video. I mean, we are going to the salon and getting his hair done, cut, trimmed, groomed. Stay tuned. So guys, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड रहा है भाई का कि आज का टिल डेट ओके ही हैज़ नेवर लाइक्ड एक भी कोई बंदा जिसने उनके बाल काटे हो एंड ही इज़ नेवर सैटिस्फाइड.
He's never satisfied. Yeah, I'm never satisfied, guys.
Yeah, you made it sound bad. No, but tell me honestly. Is there someone, one person whose work you have liked?
I don't know. I never like it.
So he goes like he leaves the house happy for a haircut and he comes back home crying and cribbing about how terrible haircut he has got.
That is not called crying and cribbing. It is called pissed. I come pissed whenever I go for a haircut.
Give us the big
No.
reveal. I reveal it, Ray.
So cut hair और आमिर की वजह से हमने टॉप में ज़्यादा बाल छोड़ दिया है. अभी अगर मॉम डांटती है तो आमिर इज गोइंग टू टेक द ब्लेम because he is the one to suggest not to cut too far bal. So we just managed to cut side में.
You know
And
what? I honestly feel you should start vlogging about how terrible haircuts you get. But this is far better than what you were looking earlier, so
yeah.
you can't crib.
I'm still not happy about how my bal is looking on the top. As always, I'm never happy, never satisfied.
Never satisfied is the right word.
Hair gel.
No, I think after taking a shower, he's just gonna look fine. Everything's just gonna fall in place. He just needs to have a little bit of patience.
I appreciate how slowly and how carefully he was cutting my hair and how carefully he spent a lot of time on my beard because we were trying to get a thing done and eventually it didn't happen, so we had to clean shave basically.
And what about me? I was sitting there quietly, patiently, without making any
Well, you
disturbance.
came for the vlog. You decided to come make a vlog on my haircut and my salon visit, so
No, but guys, this is the first time he's actually so quiet. Like he did not complain about how bad it is.
obviously I'm not gonna make a big scene on the vlog, right? Only because Amir was making a video, I didn't give it to the salon guy either. I was very quiet and I was very nice to him. And when he fucked up my beard, beep it,
I'll
okay?
beep it.
And when he messed my beard, I was like very calm and I was like, okay, it's okay, don't worry about it, just clean shave and
There's too much of sun slapping on my face happening. Okay, I was really shocked by the way so calm, polite and gentle he was. That's not him. Ask me. I know the real him.
I am a calm person, bro.
We are trying to call a friend at the balcony and say hello.
Let's do this.
I doubt she's gonna pick up.
Actually, she was pissed because I did not inform her that I'm back in India, and she messaged me like,
There are actually so many people who are
You've
pissed
come.
at you because of the same
"You've
thing.
come, batayega kaun?"
Don't they watch my stories? Stupid people.
Yeah, they messaged me after watching your stories only.
Oh, my stories are controversial.
Oh wait, this is not the one I want to call. Oh? Assalamu alaikum. बाहर तो आओ. बालकनी में. I want to watch it.
Listen, no, I need content. Can you jump from the balcony?
Yeah, please do it. वीडियो में आई क्या?
हाँ, jump.
अभी कूद जाओ.
Jump. Oh, she's a friend who's a YouTuber who made one video
And then
she
deleted it.
and then she deleted the video.
Before I saw it, I just want to know what video.
No, it
she
was
made.
funny. It was a video about her birthday, and that was her like introduction video. That was
Damn.
her first video.
Uh-huh.
So it was like an introduction video for her
Why she
YouTube channel.
deleted it? I didn't even get chance to watch it only because I was on shit.
So guys, we are heading to Ghatkopar. We started a trip to our relatives, and we are planning to buy few things so that we don't go empty-handed. And अब हम जो ढूंढ रहे हैं वो हमें मिल नहीं रहा है और हम यहाँ गली गली घूम रहे हैं. Great. Why didn't he stop there? जहाँ पे आपको मार्केट दिख गया था.
क्योंकि वहाँ पे पार्किंग नहीं था. Guys, हम जहाँ घूम रहे हैं वहाँ पार्किंग का बहुत इशू होता है. That is why.
Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai. Amanda. So, okay, sorry. You have always been to wrong gullies only.
तुमको wrong गली है. I think I have missed out. I wanted to go opposite side.
Oh my god, don't tell me. Oh damn, you're trying to look for that market.
You could have concentrated here instead of the vlog.
Okay, bye guys. I'll talk to you after buying fruits. कल खाओगे तब निकलेंगे. So finally, हम सारा सामान ले आए. We have got everything right, and one thing for sure that I know now. Where's the sanitizer? One thing that I for sure know now is both of us don't know how to buy fruits. We should do this more often because high time, guys. I think we all should.
Sanitize.
This is called selfish. Can you just? Yeah, thank you. One thing for sure कि हम दोनों को नहीं पता how to buy fruits and we should learn it. High time, guys. अगर आपको भी नहीं पता, please go and learn it.
या फिर अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम वीडियो बनाएं कि फ्रूट कैसे लेना चाहिए तो आप कमेंट करें और हम
We'll ace that process first and then we'll make a video on it. So this is really amazing how we find new inventions, new ways to actually deliver our messages. I guess उसकी कार कहीं wrong जगह park थी and some other person got some trouble because of that. And all he did is उसके window पे he just, what is it called?
post-it note, sticky
Yeah, Yeah, he just used the stick note on it and he dropped a message. I just hope shouldn't be any abusive message, but this is what it is, guys. Like, at the end, what matters is you communicate, you deliver your message, and that is what is done. So. I'm trying to vlog. Hey guys, what's up guys?
I had the challenge with me. Probably can't do it. So we rather try.
Guys, देखो झूला अपने आप हिल रहा है. The swing is.
This is how one will do. I think I'm not capable of doing anymore.
And I guess लोग घर पे नहीं है. Doorbell. What? No, thank you. I said that. I.
Oh my god! Stupid! Oh my gosh!